Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see how you can hide and unhide applications from your app screen. So friends, sometimes you may require to hide certain applications, especially if you are parent and you don't want your child to see certain applications, or you want to hide the applications. For example, your child will open YouTube and watch shorts, which is not good, because you know that in YouTube, on YouTube we get many types of videos which is not good for the children also. So you can hide the YouTube, and when you want to watch, you can watch. So there are many reasons because of them you require to hide the application. Now after watching this video, you can easily hide your applications and you can unhide the applications again. My name is Ratul and I am your host for today's video. So without much delay, let's start today's video. So guys, this settings is available almost all applications, I mean all smartphones, not applications, all smartphones, but in different place. So you need to find this settings from your settings. Okay, so but if you use Microsoft Launcher, I have already made a video about Microsoft Launcher. It's a very accessible launcher, AI powered launcher. So you can use that launcher. If you use that, so you will get, I mean, it will be easier for you, it will be very easy for you to hide and unhide applications with password protection. So I am using that application, and now I just want to show you how it works. Let me open the apps.
Expand the apps. All apps view open.
So now you can see all of my applications. Now I have one application called Grow application. Okay, so I want to hide that application. So I'm just going to swipe from left to right.
GP Grow 35 of 84.
Okay,
column 5.
so 35 of 84. So number 35, which means this is the Grow. This application I want to hide. So now let's see how I can do this. So to do this, click on the more options on the top right corner of the screen.
More option. Show recent apps off. Switch 1 of 4.
Then swipe until you find hide application.
Show display link. Show recent. This hidden apps button 3 of 4.
So go to hidden apps.
Hidden apps.
Now first you need to turn on the settings to enable your hidden apps with a password protection.
Hidden apps. Hidden app settings button.
Okay, go to hidden apps settings.
Start recording. Hidden app settings. Set password off. Switch.
So it says set password off, switch. Next,
quick access in dock off.
Quick
switch.
access in dock, which means the application will be available in dock for quick access. If you wish, you can use
show hidden apps in search results.
Show hidden
off.
apps
Switch.
in search results. Search results means you know what are the applications are hidden. So applications are generally hidden, but if you search, the hidden applications will also be available. So you can do as per your preference.
Quick set password off. Switch.
So just turn it on and set the password.
Start recording. Hidden app settings. Set password. Heading. Set a password for your hidden apps.
So here you need to enter 4-digit PIN. You will find the digit keyboard at the middle of the screen.
5 2.
So let me enter some PIN.
8 0 5 2 8 5. Input again to confirm.
So it is asking me to input again to confirm. So re-enter your PIN.
5 2 0 5 5 2 5. Hidden apps are now password protected. Microsoft Launcher.
So once
Hidden
you
app
enter the
settings.
PIN 2 times, your hidden applications are now password protected. Now let me add the application.
Quick access in dock. Show hidden apps
Just
in
going
search
one
results.
back.
Stop. Start. 5 minutes. For enter pass. Hidden app settings. Enter pass. Unlock your hidden apps.
Now it is asking you to unlock your hidden apps.
Password. Edit box.
So here you need to enter the password. Let me give the pin.
5 2 0 5 2 5 back button.
So now
Hidden app keeps hide apps button.
hide apps. So now you need to add the
Hide
application.
apps
So just
button.
double tap here.
Pop-up window.
Now here you can see all of your available applications which is installed in your smartphone. Guys, I am recording this video on the morning time, so you may get some other noise here, so please avoid them. So now I am just swiping from left to right to find the application which I want to hide, which is Grow in our case.
Grove not selected. Checkbox 35 of 84.
So
Space.
Grow application I got, and this is a checkbox. Checkbox means you can set multiple applications. For now I am just setting up this
Selected
one.
and
Select
one
this.
of items selected.
Yeah, now I just click on
Done button.
Done button, which is presented at the top right corner.
Hidden apps.
Now I'm just going back to the application.
Start record.
All apps.
All apps view.
Now I'm
open.
swiping from left to
Compass.
right.
Cap, clock, contact, digital marketing, 15 of 83, column 5.
15 of 83. So earlier we have 84 applications. Now we have 83 applications. But no, we have 84. But here we can see only the 83 applications. There's one application we have hidden. So let us explore.
Dot, down, drag, face, find, fit, FM, GPay, home, 35
See,
of
after
83, column 5.
GPay business and etc. Grow was there, but now home application is coming here. So this is how you can easily hide the application. Now to unhide them, go to more options.
More, show, display, show recent, display layer, hidden apps,
Click on
button,
hidden apps.
hidden apps,
Now enter the password. Then you can access them also.
8, 5, 2, 8, 0, 5, 2, 5, back,
Now see.
grow, hidden app, grow, in list,
So here you can open the application and
unhide, button,
you can
space,
unhide the Grow application. So I'm just unhiding it.
grow, unhide,
And now
hide
I'm
apps,
just going to
hidden,
the
hidden
settings.
apps, hidden app set, back, but hidden app set password, on, switch,
And now
space,
I am just turning it off.
off.
So guys, this is how you can hide and unhide Android applications using Microsoft Launcher. I hope you got the point. If you find this content useful, like the video and share the video with your loved ones. Subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any doubts, queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can also follow us on WhatsApp and Telegram to get more content like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.